For the Jack and Jill room, here's another awesome antique doorknob that I will love to keep going on in here. And I'm not too sure about this insert. I think I'm going to take it out or cover it up because I really don't like it too much. So I'm going to have my twin size bed right here for whenever I have extra guests, like my actual family comes up and I already have someone staying in the other guest room. And the one thing I love is these big, huge windows. I will have plenty of light for my writing, for my crafting. I just love having so much light in this house. And all of this paint is going to be white. I hate this paint color. It's really disgusting. That's one of the first things on my list to change. And here's a nice big closet. I think I'm gonna just, I wanna leave this. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave this piece or not, but I definitely want to leave the shelves. I'm going to set in shorter shelves and maybe have a shelf in front of it that I can move out of the way because I have so much stuff that I want to organize in here and make this into like a miniature office organization space. So we'll definitely see what happens. I have a beautiful vanity that doesn't have the mirror that I use for a writing desk. I want to put it here. And I think I'm going to put a sitting chair or something right here for when it rains or something. I'm not 100% sure yet. So this room is still a work in progress. I think the only rooms I have 100% decided on was the living room and the guest bedroom I have completely laid out already. So everybody, today's project. Oh, there's Miss Kitty. Her and I aren't the best of friends, but hey, at least she keeps Fluff company. Anyway, yes, I picked up one of these from Joann's. I've been needing some organization. I think I'm going to pick up one more because I want to put one on this side and one on this side. So anyway, back to what I was saying. This used to be completely full, but I quickly had to move everything because I had a roof leak. Thanks to the wonderful Solar City people, even though it wasn't the solar panels. They actually came out and patched the leak for me. They had to go up and find out whether or not it was actually the solar panels, which it wasn't. So thanks to them. Kudos. 5-star rating. Amazing. This is not sponsored. I swear to God, but I have to say that was pretty awesome. So here's my closet. It's getting organized. It still looks like an organized mess, but yes. So those are the kids' toys. I don't have kids, but I have a lot of friends with kids. So we got to keep them busy when they come over to keep them out of a bunch of beautiful knickknacks that they shouldn't be into. Those will actually go under the bed. I'm still trying to find the perfect bed skirt to match the office, because all the tones in the office will be white, gray, and this beautiful color of, it's like a sea foam or an aqua green. Now all of this still needs cleaned, so this is today's project. I'm going to try and get most of this organized. So yeah, because of that leak, now half of my crafting stuff is all over the kitchen. So hopefully I will get that clean today too. If not, there is always tomorrow. Alrighty, stay tuned. This is actually a big work in progress, trying to get the office put together. Oh, there's my video camera. Say hi! Alright, bye! Finally got the bed cleaned off. And, well, a light hooked up, but there's that. Table still needs organized. That's going to be the big last one. And all of this, which isn't actually much compared to what used to be in here. A lot of it's actually under the bed now, which is where that came from. That's my jewelry making kit box thing I was looking for the other day. So, let's hopefully get some of this finished tonight. I'm super excited. I forgot when I moved in that some of the paint was falling off of this brick wall. And I just got back in here to look at it, and it gave me a really awesome decorating idea. So all of this paint is probably going to come off. Stay tuned for the ending result. It will probably be a while before it comes out, because it's going to take me a while to peel off all this paint and make it look awesome. So stay tuned for that video. It'll probably be separate from the official finished sewing room video of organizing. I can't wait to see what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, bye! Well, nothing like some inspiration of the family coming in from out of town. Come on, Fluff. To get the energy going to power clean the house. So hi Fluff, he's in his little jammies. He's ready for bed. Yeah, after this video, we're crashing out for the night. We're tired. So this is the office. It is finally finished. In his little bed. He always has to have his bed. I swear he has one in every room. So here's our new desk. Well, it's not new to me, but it'll be new to you guys. I want to repaint the top before I think I officially start doing videos this next week. So after my family leaves, I think I might do that Saturday night or Sunday. And of course, these are the two $30 trays from Michael's, I think. They're the value ones. And some organizers and all that stuff. I'm still going through and organizing all of my wonderful stuff. My awesome Paris basket, which has my goodies that I'm going to sell. I haven't listed this one in yet, but a lot of you guys have seen the video. My awesome sign that my buddy made for me. Thank you so much, Angel. You're awesome. I will put a link to his and his wife's shop down in the comments. It's called Wooden Stuff. I think it's faded because it's been sitting in the sun, but yeah, it's a little faded. It's Wooden Stuff for You. So that's his Etsy page. And he does, if you couldn't tell by the paint job on here, he does really amazing work. And my two main lights, I got those in the clearance section at Walmart for any of you YouTubing. They're LEDs. The LED part's non-replaceable, but they work perfect. That's my lighting for my videos. And then of course, the basket. And here is my beautiful little picture in Make-A-Wish one. And I love these doorknobs. They're so vintage. Okay. And of course, my Persian bed. I swear, Paris everywhere. A lot of you know already. So, and those doors are closed. You can't look in there. It's horrendous. And then, of course, my bike's parked there, you know, a single woman's dream, having her own little bike and all that other stuff. And my awesome office / craft room and spare bed. And of course, there's a bunch of goodies underneath the bed, but we always keep stuff stored under there, right? All right, well, I hope you all enjoyed, and this is my crafty space, and you all have a wonderful evening. Thanks for tuning in. Bye. Well,